What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to jump into a copart walk around. There is supposedly a fully kitted out police car out here, a fraudulent M5, and more. So without further ado, roll the intro. So we are out here, and look at this state trooper car, or is this a local police department? One or the other, who knows? Oop, Hamlet Police. It says 21,809 miles on this one. She's dead as a doornail, though. Wow, look at these mosquitoes, man. This is the one thing I do love about wintertime when I come to Copart. You know what you don't have to deal with? No bugs. Bugs are not even a thing during that time. So, yeah. Oof. All right. Yeah, they took everything out of here, man. Not much to really look at. This one, there's no lights on it outside of the ones over the license plate. Everything else has been unplugged and disconnected and removed. So you can see where they cut all the lines and stuff. Really not much to see here. Ooh, say it with me. Toasty. Damn, this must be the toasty aisle. Another one. And it's a Chrysler Pacifica too. Ooh, that ain't promising. Yeah, look at this. Somebody, is that a 5? Wait, at least it's just a 5. At least they didn't put the M5 on it, all right? Don't do that, man. I'm gonna guess this is probably, what, 109,000 miles. It's got an X-Drive, so it's not a food stamp edition. Nice little lip on the spoiler. Oh, why you gotta do that, man? Stop it. Stop it. That's bullshit. This is not an M5. This at a best is a 550 because of those exhaust tips. And it's an M Sport. Why did you have to put M5 on it? There's no reason to be just straight frauding, man. This is a very nice 550. Why you got a front, man? Just be happy, you know? One of the new cars I'm picking up like an 8-year-old BMW that I got that has super low miles. I'm not going to put I'm not even going to tell you what it is because y'all going to try to guess what it is. I'm not putting M badges on my damn car, man. I'm going to be happy with exactly what it is. That's crazy. I don't know what it is about people. I mean, there's no reason to front on that, man. Anybody that knows BMW knows that that's not an M5. I guess you could like trick the dumb chick at the club, but why? Now here's something interesting, and I know you guys are going to get a theme. You're like, damn, TK's looking at German stuff today. Hey, man, just let me live, man. Look at this beautiful Mercedes Benz with 46,000 miles. It took a nasty hit in the side here. C300, all right. No AMG. That Tesla is smashed. But yeah, 46,228 miles on its clock. Ooh, she's got power? Say less. Do you run? Oh, look at that. It runs. You can't beat that. It's clean as hell, too, in the interior, man. This interior is butter. Say it with me. It is butter, man. Damn, this is clean, man. Huh. Functions limited. See operator's manual. Engine's fine. They already cut the bag loose here. Let's cut these bags out. Some of y'all gonna be like, TK, airbag special. You already know what I would do, right? Yeah, say it with me. Yo. You know I'd be like this. Oh, so yeah. I don't know, man. We should look under the hood on this one. It's kind of clean. This is a lot of work though. Right? I mean, I already have a car like this in my backyard that I can't even mess with. That door, but to see the door closes, I think the door could just be replaced. This door be replaced. And then it's all about, I guess, cutting up here and welding in a new section, right? I bet you it could be fixed. It could definitely be fixed. Damn, that motherfucker's clean. Whoo! When the engine bay is this clean, somebody garage kept this joint. Well, maybe not. There's some leaves here, but yeah, this right here, this is nice, man. This is really, really nice. I like this. I like this a lot. Too bad it's so smashed on the side. And I bet you it's gonna go for a ton of money too. What you want to bet? Oh, so we keep it moving, and I wanted to look at this Mercedes, but I can see that it's dumped its soul right there on the ground. That is fresh oil, baby. Negative. Even though it says it's a run and drive, I'm not starting that. That is fresh. The wheels and stuff look nice on this too. Undercarriage damage. You think C300, it's clean. But it clearly has a busted oil pan or a leaking oil pan, because it's did they total it for that? Huh. That's a simple repair. That is completely friggin' smashed. But that's a simple repair. Well, I'm not starting this one, guys. When I see stuff like that, I won't do it because I don't want to damage. I would hope somebody would do it to a car I was looking at too and not mess with it. I don't want to damage the vehicle. Yeah, look at that. Wow, she's clean though. I mean, the cracked seats and stuff are kind of sucky, but you know, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Let me know what you guys think about that one. Not an Alfa, TK. You got to be kidding me. Nope. Pretty clean, huh? Alfa. Didn't they say at one point, like, these were the fastest production cars on the planet, right? At one point. I don't know if that's still the case, but I know at one point this was supposed to be, the Giulia was like the fastest production car. Didn't they have the fastest SUV too for a little bit? I think that's right. Y'all could correct me if I'm wrong. This is a 15,000 miles. And the damage, does this say roaches? Oh, rocker, I'm sorry. I was like, replace roaches? Huh? Nut insert. Nut insert nuts? Nut insert? I don't know. I'm gonna leave that alone. I don't know what that means. I don't want any problems. We're just gonna move on. Yes, I'm gonna get canceled. We're gonna get a bunch of napkins and a mask, and this thing is dead. Maybe not. Trying to be a Ferrari, huh? I see you. You get your, but I guarantee you Alfa is getting this from Volkswagen. They're getting this set up, I think, from Volkswagen. Well, no. They could be getting it from Chrysler. Off. Go away. You got the big old screen right here, which is kind of very seamless design-wise. Very nice and clean. Doesn't sound like a big engine in here. Huh. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Interesting. It is interesting. I will be honest, it is interesting. 15,946 miles on it. It does run and drive. Huh. There we go. La da da. I'm trying to be in a better mood, man. Seeing my car made me sad as fuck, man. I'm gonna have to like not look at it until I can either win it back or whatever. Now this one I was actually looking for. This is interesting to me. This 5 Series is newer. It's towards the end of this body style with the F10. All right. And it's got 85,000 miles on it. I really am enamored with those rims. I like them. It's a 550. Okay. So it does have the V8. So the big thing would be, does it smoke? It's not listed as a runner at all. Part of that is probably because it died and they can't get into the trunk. Oh, it's a flood car. There's a water line. Wow, that thing was all the way up here on the door, huh? Now, these things have pretty good seals in them, to be honest, as far as the water goes. But, yeah, it smells a little bit like butt cheeks. Now, I know you're going to ask, TK, how do you know what butt cheeks smell like? That smells like butt cheeks. Yeah, I'm gonna be like, TK, you on one today, huh? Yeah, I'm on one today. 100%. Oh boy. Man, it's always good meeting new people and cool people out here that work out here, man. Someone was like, I seen you on YouTube. Yes, sir. We got one more to show y'all today. All right, guys, I got one more here to show you, and it's this Audi A6 S-Line. Now, it's mostly cosmetic from what I can see. Like, any of the stuff here in the front looks like it's okay. It looks like it's really just plastics. Now, I know that there's some coolers and other stuff behind this that can be bad. The headlight is not cheap. That is an expensive part. But I think headlight, hood, front fascia, obviously, and might be able to save that fender, even with that little bit of a crease right there. And then make sure that the body lines match up where they have it marked down there. That's if I don't see any more damage around the rest of the car. Oh, it's a 2.0. Man, you know, them putting the 4-cylinder in the 6, I don't know how I feel about that, man. I really don't. Huh. I said that was the last one, guys, and then we find this beautiful, wonderful Tesla in smashed gray. I know, I'm an asshole. Smashed gray. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, you really had to mess up to do this one. Yeah. Wow. This thing is smashed. Whew. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to see this on anybody's channel getting rebuilt anytime soon. Nope. No, I don't. Ouch. Well, if I can keep these damn flies and mosquitoes out of my ear. Well, guys, that's going to do it. I wanted to get you guys a video. I am going to come back and get a proper copart walk around in with auction footage and all that. Today, this is just a brief walk around. With that said, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys very soon in the next one.